Good morning. Hi, dear students. How are you? Welcome to online class. Look at the picture. The cock is announcing. The clock is ringing. The baby is waking up. The sun is rising. Okay, our today's lesson is a dialogue on early rising. Learning outcomes. What we will learn after completing this dialogue. After we have studied this lesson, we will be able to know information, ask and answer questions, have the habit of rising early, write a dialogue. Hi friend, how are you? I'm fine. And you? I'm also fine. Why are you here so early? I always get up early in the morning. But why? I know that early rising is good for health. What do you mean? I mean it is a good habit. What is the benefit of early rising? There is much benefit of it. Can you explain? Why not? Please let me know. An early riser gets enough time. He can say his morning prayer. He can enjoy morning air. Can take some physical exercise. Anything more? He can enjoy the chirping of birds. Can have a walk on the grass. But can he enjoy the morning sweet bed? Do you think it is very essential? Yes, I like to enjoy morning bed very much. But do you know that early rising is more important than bed? Yes, it is my personal belief. I mean, the man who rises up late cannot perform his duty timely. He cannot feel relaxation with his works. You are right, my friend. I cannot perform my duty timely, and I have realized that late rising is the cause of it. What is your suggestion about early rising? We all should rise early and should be habituated to early rising. I'll do that. Thank you, my friend. You are most welcome. Answer the following question. What is early rising? Who is an early riser? What is the benefit of early rising? Why should we rise early? Write a paragraph on early rising. Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. Thank you.